Hey guys, so today we are going to do our wreath or branch. But first, before we do that, grab your activity book because we are going to go and do our nature walk. Alright, so grab your book, grab a pen, and Mom and Dad, we're going to take the kids on for a little walk outside in the garden. Let's go. Hey guys! Okay, so we're going to go on a little nature walk. I got my hat, I got my sunglasses, I've even got a little bag to pick up anything that we find interesting. Okay, so let's go. Say hi, Mac. Hello. That's Mac. What'd you find, Mac? Just a bush. Oh, look, we found a mole hole. See? See the hole? Whoa. A mole lives down there. Really cool. Oh, you wanted two? Okay. What else can we find? Hey, Mac. Where are you going? Where's she going? Look how pretty. I hear an airplane somewhere. Alright, let's go see what we can find over there. Ooh, look, we found some pretty flowers. Can you see? Do you guys know what color this is? Look how pretty. They're orange. Very pretty, huh? But let's see what else we can go find. Duckies! Alright, let's see what else we can go find. Alright, bye Mr. Birdie. Let's go see what's in the greenhouse. Alright, let's see what's in the greenhouse. Wow, guys, look. Lots of stuff growing. All these different plants. Herbs over here. See? All growing nicely. Some strawberries. At least I think they're strawberries. Some peppers. Hey? Pretty cool. And a baby tree. Still growing. Alright, let's go see what else we can find. Oh look, a feather. Found a feather. See? It's from a bird. Let's see what blows away in the wind. Hi. Ooh, old birds, where are they going? There's a big pile of pine cones. Look at that. A whole pile of them. See? They fell off the tree. Can you see them? All these big pine trees. They fell from there down there. Alright, what else can we find? Hi guys. Hey Princey. Hey Troy. Hello. Say hello. Hey Sparty. Hello. Say hello. Oh. Ugh. So many flies. Where are you going? Hi. Guys, I think we found a tiny spider. Do you see it? Here it is. Hey, it's a tiny spider. Hey, look, it's a beehive. Bees live in it. But I don't see any bees flying around. Maybe they're not home yet. Anyway, did you know bees make honey? Love honey, it's so yummy. Alright, let's go see what else we can find. Look, found some mushrooms. Let's get closer. Look guys, I found some snails. A small one and a big one. Guys, look, it's a butterfly. Look how pretty. Oh. Where are you going? Let's see. Whoa, look. All the pretty flowers. Hello, Mr. Froggy. Fountains. Hey, look, more flowers. And look, there's a mushroom hiding in the garden. Alright, what else can we find? Alright, let's get some leaves, guys, from our tree. Pick some leaves. Look what else I found. Hi, fishies. Can you see them? How cute are they? Okay, so we're gonna pick some leaves from the tree over there because we're gonna need it for 2 of our art projects. So let's do that. Okay guys, let's see how many things we found today. Okay, so we found the dirt, we found leaves, we found flowers, we found a spider, we found a butterfly, a mushroom, we didn't find a worm, we found birds, didn't find ants, we found a beehive, so that's kind of like a half a tick really. No squirrel. Went to the greenhouse, we found some sprouts, some trees, some clouds, and grass. Yeah, all good. What did you guys find? Okay guys, I hope you had fun. So if you find anything else really cool, like a bunny rabbit or a frog or whatever, you know, send a video or send a pic and let us see what you found. Hope you had fun. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!